Buongiorno, bonjour, buenos dias. Hello, I'm Boyu from NovaStar, and I'm a regional representative from the EU team of NovaStar, mainly focusing on Italia, España, and Portugal. Today, it's my honor to invite one of the most experienced engineers at NovaStar to talk about the fixed installation industry and related products. Let's welcome Oren.
Hi, Boy. Hello, everyone. I'm Oren. I'm going to introduce some really useful today. So, are you ready to take a note?
I know that you have been to so many sites of fixed installation industry and you have abundant experiences on it. Do you have anything interesting to share with us today?
For fixed business, our company have already provided many mature solutions. So next, I will introduce our classical solution for different sizes of fixed LED screen.
It's wonderful. I think that the Full HD LED screen is one of the most popular ones. For example, the outdoor screen for fixed installation projects with big pixel pitch. Total pixels are usually below 2.3 million pixels. Although, let's take a look at these two screens. One screen is 1.3 million pixels, another one is 2.3 million pixels. For these types of screens, what proposals would you make for them?
Regarding as the first screen, we can select MCTRL 300 because its loading capacity is 1.3 million pixels. For the second screen, we can use MCTRL 600. Its loading capacity is 2.3 million pixels.
If the screens are not with the standard size or resolutions, can MCTRL 300 and MCTRL 600 automatically scale the content?
It's a good question. So actually, both of MCTRL 300 and 600 are pure sending card. So they cannot support video scaling function. As for mission the requirement, our company have already developed the all-in-one controller, which integrated sending card and video processing function together. So if your LED screen size is under 2.3 megapixels, you can choose VX4S and Pro HD. They not only can support scaling function, but also can support PIP function.
I've learned that some of the clients need to control the LED screen and publish the program remotely. Do you have any suggestions?
I recommend our T-Series card and MBox 600. They can work with our remote management system Windows together to remote control our LED screen or publish the content what you want to play. So now let's check the comparison of T-Series card and Windows topography. TP3 can support 650,000 pixels. TP6 can support 1.3 million pixels, and TP8 can support up to 2.3 million pixels. And this is Windows topography. You can edit program on Windows website, then upload to Windows Cloud. Your terminal will download these programs from Windows Cloud. So you can control all your terminal which located at different cities in your office at the same time.
Okay, what's the difference between T-Series products and MBox 600?
MBox 600 integrates a PC and MCTRL 600 together. And it doesn't need another PC, so it still is a synchronous system.
If the screen is beyond 2.3 million pixels, what would you recommend?
VX6S is matched. It can support 3.9 million pixels.
Okay, I've noticed that the pixel pitch of the LED screen is becoming much smaller than before during these years, thanks to the development of the production technology. And we are able to find that there is an increasing number of 4K screens in the market. As to these 4K screens, what suggestions would you make for them?
So actually, NovaStar still focuses on the industry development and the market requirement. Regarding as a 4K screen, we develop MCTRL 4K can support real 4K screen. So its loading capacity can up to 8.8 million pixels, can support HDMI 2.0 and DP 1.2 interface. So if your 4K screen also need video scaling function and multi-layers function, you need our 4K all-in-one controller, Nova Pro UHDR and Nova Pro UHD.
Okay, at present, a lot of TV stations would like to change their old LED screens. Most of them would choose 4K screens, which could display HDR content with low latency. Are there any products of NovaStar that could meet this demand?
So actually 4K, UHDR, and UHD, all of them can support this function, but need to work with 8S or 18S plus receiving card together.
Okay, Orion, have you ever seen any 8K screens or more than 8K from the market?
Of course. So for example, a huge screen located in command center.
Wow, it's amazing. NovaStar's products are used within these projects?
Yes, these projects use our H series, the new generation product. You can customize your own product according to your project by selecting input and output card by yourself. Now let's check the comparison of H series. H5 can support 39 megapixels and H9 can support 65 megapixels.
Well done, well done. It's very impressive that NovaStar's products can cover so many types of projects. Okay, by far, we've already learned quite a lot of knowledge on fixed installation projects and related NovaStar's products from Orion. Thank you so much for your generous sharing and professional explanation.
It's my pleasure.
Okay, this is the end of this video. And if you have any further questions or technical support requests, please contact us through the next email. Thank you all for watching it. Goodbye. Ciao.
Bye-bye.